In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your vapor canister purge solenoid valve in your Hyundai Accent 1.6 liter. It's located under the hood next to your fuel injection. All right, so we're going to take off our hoses. I'm going to use some needle nose pliers. Squeeze this and pull it down. I'm going to loosen up these hoses. You might need to twist them to free them up. After you do that, you can pull them off. Okay, set that off to the side. Now we're going to disconnect our connector. You're going to push this down and pull. Put that here. All right, you're going to need a pry bar to pry this off the bracket. It's like a little rubber grommet in there. All right, to install the new one, I put a little silicone paste to help put that in there. Slide down easily. And now we can put our hoses on. You can plug in your connector. Make sure it's going the right way. It clicks in place. Now we can put our hose clamps back using needle nose pliers. All right, make sure everything's back where it belongs. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.